I'm about to show you how to boost and 100x your NodePay daily earnings and rewards effortlessly, whether you're on your laptop or just using your phone. You don't need a rocket science degree or some crazy mining setup. Just a few simple steps, and you'll be raking in those rewards faster than you can say crypto jackpot. Let's jump right into it. Why NodePay? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, if you're not on NodePay yet, what are you doing? Seriously, stop sleeping on it. It's one of the easiest ways to earn passive crypto rewards without selling your kidney. I've dropped the sign up link in the description below, so go ahead, pause this video, sign up, download the app, and then come back. Link in the description. For my OG subscribers, you already know I've done similar videos. Remember that one about Grass Airdrop? Yeah, the browser extension thing that made us thousands of dollars. This is similar, but way better, because NodePay is stepping up the game. Think of it as Grass 2.0 Pro Max, but with some neat twists that make your earnings pop. Here's the first trick. Browsers are your best friends. You need multiple browsers installed to maximize your earnings. Why? Because each browser you log into NodePay with increases your mining capability. Here's what I've got running. 1. Google Chrome. 2. Opera Mini. 3. Microsoft Edge. 4. Heron. On mobile? Don't worry, I got you. Download Kiwi Browser and Mises Browser. These two allow you to use Chrome extensions on your phone, and they're perfect for this setup. Step 2. Installing NodePay extensions. This is where the magic happens. 1. Go to the Chrome Web Store, search for the NodePay extension, and install it. Simple, right? 2. Repeat on all browsers. Yes, all of them. Chrome, Opera, Edge, you name it. The more browsers you use, the more rewards you'll earn daily. 3. Log into NodePay. Make sure you log into each browser after installing the extension. This step is crucial. Don't skip it. Pro tip for mobile users. If you're using your phone, the steps are just as easy. Download Kiwi Browser and Mises Browser. Install the NodePay extension from the Chrome Web Store. Log into NodePay on each browser. Now, some people say, why stop at 2 browsers on mobile? Good point. If your phone can handle it, download more. Push that device to its limits. Who needs Candy Crush or Call of Duty when you've got crypto mining, am I right? Step 3. Supercharge with emulators for laptop users. Laptop users, here's a bonus hack. Get an Android emulator like BlueStacks. Why? It lets you run mobile apps on your PC. That means you can download mobile-only browsers like Mises and Kiwi directly on your laptop, install the NodePay extension, and boom, extra mining power. Before we go further, if you're finding this helpful, and I know you are, smash that like button. It tells me to keep bringing you these juicy crypto hacks. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more pro-level crypto tips and tricks. You're not going to want to miss what I've got lined up next. What you can earn. Let me give you some perspective. Today alone, I've earned 41,000 rewards on NodePay. My season total, over $500,000. No cap. And I didn't need a server farm or some crazy GPU setup. Just these simple steps I've shared with you. NodePay even dropped a tweet yesterday confirming they're launching big updates before Christmas. Now's the time to hop on. Don't wait till it gets crowded and competitive. This is your chance to get in early. Frequently asked questions and my pro tips. 1. What if I don't have a laptop? No problem. Your phone is more than enough. Just get those browsers installed and start mining. 2. Can I use the same NodePay account on multiple browsers? Absolutely. That's the whole point. It's not cheating. It's optimizing. 3. How many browsers should I use? As many as your device can handle without catching fire. Seriously, there's no limit. So there you have it, guys. By following these steps, you'll be maximizing your NodePay earnings in no time. And trust me, this is one of the simplest ways to stack rewards without breaking a sweat. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be hanging out there answering every single one. Before you go, don't forget to like this video. It helps a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Share this with a friend who's still figuring out how to earn with NodePay. Until next time, keep mining, keep grinding, and stay winning. See you in the next one.